At the heart of Valencia lies an island of wild nature, Bioparc, home to creatures from 5 continents. A pair of flamingos writes a love story on water older than humankind. They are the symbol of grace. Bioparc is more than a zoo. It's a species conservation center, a place of hope for endangered animals. Every step here is a chance to meet the gaze of another world. Nature speaks in the language of silence. An elephant's roar echoes across the park. It reminds us we are only guests in their world. Feathers painted in sunset pink seem to glow from within. Beauty born of nature. Bioparc is a bridge between people and nature. Here we learn to understand, protect, and admire. Young visitors meet giants. In their eyes, wonder and love for life. Bioparc reminds us our home is not just humans, it's everything that breathes.